Some some people are wondering, like, some people are wondering. Some people are wondering how to get the child lock, not the child lock, the door lock undone after you've done the video with the door lock open. I'll just show you. You switch that off. Then you need to wait for about between 1 and 2 minutes. The door lock times vary on every single machine, so when you turn it off you may only have to wait a few seconds, or it could wait up to 2 minutes. With this machine it's about, I think it's 1 if it's during the wash, if you switch it off, and it's 2 minutes at the end of the cycle. But once you turn it off, you should hear a click. There you are. Also, some washing machine door locks don't click. Now, while it's off, you can't lock it on hot points. Some machines you can lock while it's off, but hot points you can't. It needs to be on, and a little click to engage the door lock, but it's not actually locked yet, so... No, it is. And obviously once you've finished messing, the machine may be still running. So switch it off. Now you gotta wait, unfortunately, for another about 1 or 2 minutes, depending on your machine. After about a minute, try your door lock. still locked. Fortunately, your door lock on this machine, it doesn't click to tell you that it's unlocked because the door lock is still, well, yeah. But once you try, she'll go back. So now that's undone. So